Okay, today we're going to try this new Apple Watch rugged armor case from Spigen. I've purchased this navy blue color. The price of this is 1,500 rupees, but you'll get in Amazon for a discounted price. I'm going to show the Amazon page later in this video. Let me quickly show my previous case which I have on my Apple Watch. So this is the Spigen thin fit case which I'm using for more than 2 months, and this is the second time I'm using the same case. You can see here the case breaks specifically near the corner, and surprisingly this is the second time the case has broken. This happens when you remove a full sleeve t-shirt, and if it gets stuck, if it pulls, this may break. So this happened due to that, and therefore I've decided to use a different case this time. So let me remove this and apply the new case and see how it looks on this Apple Watch. By the way, this is the Series 6 44mm. I'm gonna keep this aside. Let's unbox this. Nice. You can see here behind it says Spigen Inc., California, made in South Korea. Okay, they mentioned the dimension for which watch this is compatible. It says 44mm. That's the one I have. Okay, I like the rubber material. It doesn't scratch your watch. Unlike the thin fit Spigen case, this is plastic. So compared to this is better. So let's install this on the watch. Okay, we're gonna test one more thing. If you can remove this belt with the case on. Okay, this worked. Okay, we need to press here. Okay, great. Let's put it back. Cool. Okay, here it says rugged armor, shock resist. The brand name on the left hand side. We have precise cutouts, and also over here we have precise cutouts for the crown button and the power button. Okay, let's power on the watch. So let's see if the charging works with the case on. Great. So the charging works perfectly fine. Let's tie this watch and see how it looks. Not bad. I was expecting the case to look a bit more bigger or chunky, but this is okay. And I haven't applied any kind of tampered glass or scratch guard on the screen, so therefore I need this case because this will protect the watch. But there is a slight difference compared to the earlier thin fit Spigen case which I used. Here I can feel a bit heavier, but I will indeed get used to it, so that should be okay. The most important thing is the watch is safe with this case on. You don't have to worry about it even if it falls down, because most of the time when you tie the watch tends to fall down, and due to this high elevation it protects the screen. It literally protects the whole watch, and the back is covered except for the sensor part, which is really good. Although my watch is a black one, I prefer this navy blue. I can later use a navy blue strap so it matches this color. You can get this in Amazon for 899 rupees. Also various color option: navy blue, olive green and rose gold. So you can select whichever you prefer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the subscribe button and like my video. If you have any questions, please mention in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Cheers.